The Crab and the Crane. A cunning old crane lived by the side of a pond. One day, he sadly stood by the pond. The fish asked him, "Why do you look so sad?" "I have heard that this pond is going to fill up with mud soon. All the fish will die." The crane started crying. The fish got scared. "Please take us to the other pond," they requested the crane. The crane happily agreed. He said that he would take them one by one. The crane started making the trips. He took them to a rock instead, where he ate them. One day, it was a crab's turn. The crane flew with the crab towards a rock. The crab saw heaps of fish bones there. The crab was clever and came up with a quick plan. He dug his sharp claws into the crane's neck. The crane fell dead and the crab went back to the pond. Moral of the story: never trust anyone blindly.